Imagine holding a piece of glass so thin, so impossibly lightweight, that it feels less like a physical object and more like an open window into a digital universe. A device that bridges the gap between raw, desktop-level computing and the absolute freedom of touch. For years, the tech industry has tried to draw a hard line in the sand. They told us that tablets were meant for consumption, for watching movies or reading books, while real work, real creativity, and real power belonged strictly to laptops and desktop towers. We accepted that limitation. We carried multiple devices in our bags, constantly compromising between portability and capability. Then, the rules of engineering were completely rewritten. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. What you are looking at right now is not just another incremental tablet upgrade. It is an absolute hostile takeover of the mobile computing space. This is the 12th generation Apple iPad, and it is designed to make you question why you even own a traditional computer anymore. To truly understand the magnitude of what this device represents, you have to look past the stunning industrial design. You have to look past the sleek aluminum enclosure and dive directly into the philosophy of modern silicon. The tech landscape has reached a point where efficiency and power have merged into a single entity. At the heart of this 12th generation machine lies a processing architecture that packs billions of transistors into a space smaller than a coin. But technical specifications don't capture the actual human experience of using this device. What matters is the psychological shift that happens when you realize this thin sheet of glass handles complex, heavy workloads faster than most laptops on the market today. Apple didn't just build a faster iPad. They created a machine that completely blurs the boundary between passive media consumption and elite-level professional creation. Think about the everyday frustrations that plague standard mobile devices. The slight stutters when switching between heavy apps, the agonizing lag when exporting a high-definition video file, or the constant anxiety of a battery bar rapidly draining to zero. The 12th generation iPad eliminates these pain points entirely. Its architectural design features a highly advanced cluster of performance cores that instantly awaken when you demand heavy processing, working in flawless harmony with hyper-efficient background cores that handle systemic tasks silently and invisibly. Whether you are running complex graphic design suites, compiling code on the fly, multitasking across a dozen floating windows, or editing multiple streams of high-resolution video, the responsiveness remains completely instantaneous. There is zero friction. The machine responds to your gestures and commands before your brain even has time to anticipate a delay. The real breakthrough that elevates this standard iPad into a completely different tier of capability is how it handles system memory and data bandwidth. In traditional computing devices, hardware components are separated by physical distance on a circuit board, forcing data to travel down slow pathways that choke performance and generate excessive heat. Apple shattered this paradigm by implementing a deeply integrated system architecture where the memory sits in immediate proximity to the processor. This means the graphics engine, the central processing unit, and the advanced machine learning clusters all pull from the exact same pool of ultra-fast data simultaneously. When you open a massive project, a layered digital painting with hundreds of elements, or a highly detailed document, the system treats it like it is absolutely nothing. It removes the technical boundaries that used to force creators to stay chained to a traditional desk. Let's talk about the sheer versatility of this machine.